can you get married without flirting? Yes, you can get married without flirting.
How is that possible?
Marriage, you know, you shouldn't get married without talking, but you can get married without flirting. There's a difference between the two. Islam does not prohibit people from talking before getting married. In fact, it encourages that we talk before we get married. You ask important questions. You know, your favorite color is not going to affect whether or not we have a good marriage, right? You ask important questions about deen, about character, about likes and dislikes, about priorities, about vision of a family, about, career. Those are questions that you want to ask. And you also see if your character lines up. Plus, I think the word flirting has multiple connotations. It can mean many things, right? You don't have to talk rough and just business-like, but at the same time, you can't transgress. You can't go past, the things that Islam has barred. Why? Because look, if you go there, I'd say it's actually risky to be romantic before getting married. Why? Because when you do that, you lose your mind. At that point, you're not going to see any of the flaws of a person because you want that person to be perfect. Marriage is a decision that you want to make with your full senses. You want to make sure that you're thinking properly when you get married, right? And love is very blinding. Sometimes you get attracted to the idea of someone, and so you're not thinking properly about who that person really is.